Good evening, everybody. Come to you tonight. Decided I'd go over and grab my RAMCHARGER out of storage and bring her home. Give me something to do this winter. Get her all wrapped up and ready to go for the next summer to come. 1980. My son and I, 8-10 years ago, went down to Mesa, Arizona and brought her back. That was a really fun time. She's got all the original decals still on her. Plus she's got a few years of dust on the hood. Really in great shape. I've got the top for it. Got all the original badges on it. She's got a few battle scars, but there's no rust. Really enjoy this thing. Be nice to tinker around on it this winter. It's nice to go down south and find these. They're a real time capsule. Don't see very many of these around anymore. I've got one. I sure do enjoy it. Gonna enjoy it more this summer. Y'all have a great evening. We'll see you around. Be safe out there. Thank you much, and we'll see you. Bye.